So guys, if you want internship through Government of India, then first of all come to this website. This is the link. I'll provide it in the description. And when you visit this website, then you have to scroll it and you can see add internship in top companies. So here are many companies where you will get paid internship through Government of India. And here I found some internship which is from Tech Mahindra for AI product developer intern, testing automation intern, CPMO intern, information security intern. If we go in view details, then you can see number of opportunities is 10. Candidate already applied 45. Application end date is 2nd June. And duration of internship is total 9 months. So you can go and apply here. Internship location you can see. There are many internship here. Basically I applied filter here. That's why I'm saying. So if you go to Karnataka region, you can see there are many internship available here. You can easily select your state. Suppose I'm going to select Delhi. Then in Delhi there are many internship available here. According to your qualification, you can go and choose the internship whichever suitable for you. And these all internship are paid. It's not a free internship. You will get paid. Means you will get salary. So this internship paid you 9,000 per month, and total duration is 9 months. So application start date is 27th May and end date is 16th June. So you can go and apply here. Please subscribe this channel for latest updates related to internship, job offers and many more. Here you will get everything